Have you ever wondered why YouTube recommends one video over another? It's not magic, it's a system. This system is called the algorithm. Its main job is very simple: to keep you, the viewer, watching videos for as long as possible. Think of YouTube as a restaurant. It wants to serve you the best meal so you stay longer, enjoy your time, and come back again tomorrow. If viewers are happy, they spend more time on the platform. More time spent means more opportunities for YouTube to show advertisements, which is how the platform makes its money. So the algorithm is designed from the ground up to find the videos that people will love watching. This focus on viewer satisfaction is the absolute key to understanding how to grow your channel. Your goal as a creator is not just to make a video, it's to make a video that someone else will enjoy watching from start to finish. The algorithm is constantly learning what each individual person likes. It looks at the videos you have watched before, the topics you are interested in, and how long you spend watching certain types of content. It then tries to predict what you will want to watch next. Your channel's success depends entirely on your ability to make content that satisfies a specific audience and sends positive signals to this powerful system. So forget the idea of tricking the algorithm. That's a short-term game that never leads to long-term success. Instead, you need to align your goals with YouTube's goals. Your mission is to help YouTube achieve its objective of maximum viewer satisfaction. When you create a video that captivates an audience, keeps them engaged, and makes them feel like their time was well spent, you are directly helping YouTube. In return, the algorithm will reward you by showing your video to more and more people who it thinks will also enjoy it. This creates a powerful cycle of growth for your channel. The journey to cracking the YouTube code begins with this fundamental mindset shift. Stop thinking about what you want to create and start thinking about what your audience wants to watch. Every decision you make, from the topic of your video to the style of your edit, should be made with the viewer in mind. The algorithm is not your enemy, it is a tool. It is a data-driven system that connects great content with the right audience. If you can consistently provide that great content, the algorithm will become your single most powerful partner in building a successful YouTube channel. The algorithm doesn't have feelings, it only has data. It uses specific signals to measure how well a video is satisfying viewers. The most important of these signals are related to viewer behavior. Click-through rate, or CTR, is the first major hurdle. This measures how many people click to watch your video after seeing its thumbnail and title on their screen. A high CTR tells YouTube that your video's packaging is compelling and relevant to the audience it's being shown to. It's the first sign that you have something people want to see, making it a critical metric for getting your foot in the door. Once a viewer clicks, the next and arguably most important signal is audience retention. This metric shows you exactly how long people are watching your video on average. If viewers click away in the first few seconds, it sends a strong negative signal to the algorithm that the video did not deliver on its promise. However, if viewers watch most or all of your video, it's a powerful indicator of high satisfaction. This is why a 10-minute video with an average watch time of 6 minutes is often more valuable to the algorithm than a 2-minute video that people watch for 1.5 minutes. Beyond individual viewer actions, the algorithm also looks at the video's overall performance statistics. This includes things like the total watch time your video has accumulated. Watch time is the grand total of all the minutes people have spent watching your content. The more watch time your channel generates, the more valuable YouTube considers it to be. The algorithm also pays close attention to engagement signals like likes, dislikes, comments, and shares. When viewers take the time to comment on your video or share it with a friend, they are telling YouTube that the content was impactful enough to provoke a reaction. Finally, the algorithm uses the video's metadata to understand what your video is about and who to show it to initially. This is where your title, description, and tags come into play. A clear, descriptive title that includes relevant keywords helps the algorithm categorize your content correctly. Your description should provide more context, expanding on the title and using other related terms. While tags are less important than they once were, they can still help YouTube understand the specific nuances of your topic. Getting your metadata right ensures your video is tested with the correct starting audience. To make videos that the algorithm loves, you must start by mastering the first impression. This means creating a powerful combination of a thumbnail and a title. Your thumbnail should be clear, emotionally engaging, and easy to understand even when it's small. Use bright colors, clear faces, and minimal text to grab attention. Your title should then create curiosity and clearly state the value the viewer will get from watching. Ask a question, promise a solution, or hint at an exciting outcome. This 1-2 punch is what drives your click-through rate, the first signal of success. Once you've earned the click, your next job is to keep the viewer watching. The first 15 to 30 seconds of your video are the most critical. You must immediately confirm that the viewer made the right choice. Do this by restating the promise of your title, showing a glimpse of the final outcome, or presenting the core problem you are about to solve. Throughout the video, use pattern interrupts to maintain engagement. This can be as simple as changing the camera angle, adding on-screen text, using background music, or incorporating B-roll footage. These small changes keep the viewing experience fresh and stop people from getting bored. Encouraging interaction is another vital way to send positive signals. Don't just ask people to like and subscribe at the end of your video. Instead, integrate your call to action naturally into the content. Ask a specific question related to your video's topic to encourage comments. For example, if you are reviewing a camera, ask your audience what camera they use and why they love it. This creates a community around your content and shows the algorithm that your video is sparking conversations, which is a very strong indicator of an engaged and satisfied audience. Finally, think about your content in terms of sessions, not just single videos. You want viewers to watch another one of your videos after they finish the first one. A great way to do this is by using end screens and cards to recommend another relevant video from your channel. You can also create a series of videos around a popular topic, which naturally encourages binge watching. When you can get a viewer to watch multiple videos in one sitting, you are massively increasing your channel's total watch time and sending an incredibly powerful signal to the algorithm that your channel is a destination for quality content. Many creators make mistakes that sabotage their own growth. The most common is using misleading clickbait. This involves creating a title or thumbnail that promises something the video doesn't deliver. While this might get you a lot of clicks initially, your audience retention will be terrible. Viewers will feel tricked and will click away almost immediately. This flood of negative signals tells the algorithm that your video is low quality, and it will quickly stop recommending it to anyone. Honest and compelling packaging is always better than deceptive clickbait in the long run. Another major pitfall is an inconsistent upload schedule. The algorithm favors channels that are reliable. If you post 3 videos one week and then disappear for a month, it's hard to build momentum. Your audience doesn't know when to expect new content, and the algorithm has less fresh data to work with. You don't need to post every day, but you should choose a schedule you can realistically stick to, whether it's once a week or twice a month. Consistency helps build a loyal viewership and keeps your channel active in the eyes of the algorithm, making it more likely to promote your new uploads. It's also important to be aware of common myths. One popular myth is that you need a huge number of subscribers to be successful. While subscribers are great, the algorithm now cares much more about watch time and audience satisfaction from non-subscribers. Many large channels get most of their views from people who are not subscribed. Another myth is that you can game the system with tricks like keyword stuffing in your tags. The algorithm is far too sophisticated for that now. It understands context and viewer behavior better than ever before. Focus on quality, not on outdated shortcuts. Ultimately, the path to success on YouTube is paved with value. Your primary focus should always be on the viewer. Ask yourself, how can I help my audience? How can I entertain them? How can I solve their problems? When you shift your perspective from how can I get views to how can I provide value, everything else starts to fall into place. Create content that you are passionate about for an audience that you genuinely want to serve. If you do that consistently and thoughtfully, the YouTube algorithm will not be a mystery to crack, but a powerful partner that helps you share your message with the world.